done some research in the past, and this isn't the first time, like Joyland, we had you folks here because we've had very good experiences with roof maintenance, some gutter work. There are a total of 36 windows. A good portion of them, I think around a dozen, are the picture frame. They were original installs from 2001 when this was built, and they had been deteriorating. I'd contacted you folks, and it hooked me up with Mike. And originally, actually, my expectation was that I was looking for a referral, because my familiarity and my understanding with Joyland was that they're roofing. Rather than a referral, it ended up being Mike with Joyland, and so just contacted them and him specifically to organize, set up some time to come out and assess things, the pricing, and seeing what the availability was in terms of turnaround time for the windows. Once things were actually in motion, it was a conversation with Mike again regarding the approach, because it wasn't just going to be haphazard random installs of windows. He did a great job. Well, I expected a bigger mess. The new windows were more different than I expected relative to the old contractor grade. Yeah, these were much sturdier, just better built, and they were a bit deeper. Right, so I guess the pleasant surprise was that it wasn't nearly as messy, be it outside, but especially, or inside, but especially inside, because we weren't sure what we were going to do, or if we were going to do the cutting of drywall. Mike and the team decided that they really did need to do it, and it really wasn't a mess at all.
Would you recommend us to family and friends?
Yeah, absolutely. Again, the quality of the work, the company, just dealing with everyone we've had to deal with over the years, and especially the windows install. No, it's just been good experiences.